Hi guys, welcome back to the Nifty City channel. Meeting after almost 2 weeks, I think. Sorry, last week video नहीं आ पाया. थोड़ी तबीयत down थी. Was not keeping too well. But we're back with the video. So लंबा weekend था. I hope you guys enjoyed the weekend. Although before we begin, Sunday को एक काफी sad news आई. A big figure in the stock market, an inspiration to many. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala ji sadly left us. But what we have to celebrate is his legacy. So keeping that in mind, let's move ahead with the markets. So markets क्या करने वाले हैं कल काफी अच्छा बुल रन हमने देख लिया है. So is the bull run going to continue or are we going to see some kind of a correction, healthy correction? So कैसे क्या होने वाला है? We are going to see Nifty, Bank Nifty on different time frames. So to begin with, what we are seeing on the chart, what you can see on the screen right now is Dow Jones US market का index का chart आपके सामने खुला हुआ है. Why do we keep a track on the US market? Because हम माने या ना माने, US markets definitely have a great influence on the Indian market. Okay, if suppose we see some kind of a bull run in the US market, it definitely reflects on the Indian market as well. So, how has the US market behaved? Okay, now the US market has behaved very nicely. Okay, from a technical analysis point of view, it has been a very simple market. So basically क्या हुआ? ठीक है, मैं ये सब हाइड कर देता हूँ पहले. तो बेसिकली क्या हुआ कि we had a this was the COVID fall. ठीक है, इधर एक लो लगा, उसके बाद the recovery started. We had some dips in between and then we eventually made a high. Now, from a technical viewpoint, if we see, so if I take a Fibonacci retracement from COVID low, say look at the high that we did. Okay, so exactly we retraced 38.2%. Okay, another good factor, 200 EMA का support on the weekly time frame, very strong support. So 200 EMA का support भी मिला हमको इधर, 38.2% retrace भी हुआ and then the market bounced from there. Now in the US market, we are very close to this trend line. ठीक है, एक trend line मैंने इधर connect किया हुआ है. We are very close to the trend line. Currently markets चालू है और Dow Jones में gap down हुआ है. Markets are currently being traded. Okay, so if I switch to the 5 minute and show you, so this is what has happened. We've had a gap down and then we are seeing some kind of a recovery. Support की अगर बात करें तो there are many supports, but the main crucial support for Dow is going to be 33,225 that we have to keep an eye on. Now quickly moving on to our markets. Okay, तो सबसे पहले तो weekly time frame देख लेते हैं. I know you guys will be seeing a lot of trend lines, lot of zones. सब कुछ मैं अच्छे से समझाऊंगा. Okay, I'll explain everything. हर चीज का एक लॉजिक होगा, लॉजिक के हिसाब से काम करेंगे. Right? So now this is a great bull run that we have seen. Okay, इधर हमारा एक लो लगा, डबल बॉटम काइंड ऑफ बोल सकते हो. लो लगने के बाद we have seen a very terrific rally, one-sided rally we have seen. Okay, at least this last leg, if I show you on the daily chart, the last leg has been, जब से FIIs have started buying, we have seen a one-sided rally without any meaningful correction. Every correction in a bull market is healthy. It is healthy for the market. Okay, कोई भी stock, कोई भी index खाली every day ऊपर 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 नहीं जा सकता. There has to be some kind of a retracement, some kind of a pullback. Now the $1,000,000 question is, from where, which level will that pullback or retracement come from? Okay, we are clear cut in uptrend. Okay, so we have to find buying opportunities, but what is a good level to enter the market? Okay, अगर आपने already ये market में long position नहीं बनाया, okay, or you are planning to invest your money, so which level will be the right level for you to enter? Exact level, obviously no one can predict, but we will just try our best to see from a technical analysis point of view what is the good point. Okay, so weekly time frame पे clear cut, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, continuation में we have gone, we have approached the trend line. Okay, Now moving on to the daily time frame, right? Now this is the daily time frame. अब daily time frame में क्या हो रहा है? We have reached the trend line. ठीक है, ये जो trend line आ रही है, I believe जिसको भी basic technical analysis आता है, इसमें भी ये trend line draw कर लिया होगा, right? This is no big deal. तो basically इधर हमारा एक all time high लगा था, उसके बाद एक lower high लगा, उसके बाद एक lower high लगा, and now again we have approached the same resistance zone. Now obviously this trend line fourth touch point थोड़ा सा weak हो गया है trend line, but this is a very crucial trend line. Okay, so it's not that this trend line will break that easily. Now what is important is it is important that we get a closing above this trend line for the trend to continue on the upside. Okay, a closing above this trend line is very important. Now what happens if there is a retracement or a pullback from these levels? So what will happen? So first support that we will have will be this range 17,442 से लेके 17,377. So I can basically say 17,380 से लेके 17,440. This is the first support zone that we have, followed by very crucial level that we have is 17,225. Okay, now this 17,225, okay, 250 पकड़ लीजिए आप, 17,250 पकड़ लीजिए. 17,250 is going to be a golden level to enter the market. Okay, either to go long, or if you want to do some investments, you want to create a portfolio. So 17,225 is going to be 225, 250 is going to be a very important zone. Now I will tell you another reason why this level is that important. Okay? Now obviously अगर मैं bottom से लेके top का जो ये complete rally हुआ है, इसका एक Fibonacci retracement मैं मारता हूँ, so then we reach this support zone, okay, which is 16,761 से लेके 16,820. Now this will mean a very healthy correction, okay, which is healthy for the market, but we cannot say with any surety कि ये levels तक market पहुंचेगी कि नहीं. Okay, because FIs are also buying very aggressively. XYZ things are happening in the market. So unless there is some very bad news, then only we will approach these levels. So I can't say for sure whether we'll reach these levels or no. Now, if I just take the latest impulse, okay, अब latest impulse मतलब क्या? So what you do is you just go to a line chart, ठीक है? तो हमको इधर swings मिल गए, okay? So basically we had this market movement here, इधर एक swing लगा है this point, and इधर एक swing. Latest हमारा low जो लगा था इधर लगा है. So what we'll do is we'll take this low till the high point. उसका 38.2% रिट्रेसमेंट अगर हम देखेंगे, it's coming to 17,234, right guys? So 17,234 as per the chart जो हमारे previous data से हमारा जो swing निकला है. When I say previous data means the data that has transpired before. Okay, तो वो डेटा से जब मैंने levels निकाले तो it was coming to 17,225. So 225 to 250 is going to be a major support, a major important level where risk reward ratio will be at its best and we can look for an investment. Now how do we trade? Okay, for our daily F&O traders जो everyday intraday करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, so how do we trade these markets? Okay? So basically there are two major scenarios that can play out in Nifty. Okay, scenario number one is that we directly give a closing above 17,700. Okay, 17,700 के ऊपर अगर हमको closing मिल जाती है, then our journey towards 18,300 will start. Okay, for sure. Now, does that mean 17,700 said directly we'll reach 18,300? No. Still, there will be a retracement, but then that retracement will be limited to 17,500, not more than that. Okay, because then the market will become extremely bullish if we give a closing above this trend line. Okay, this is scenario number one. Scenario number two क्या है कि we give a spike up but we don't close above these levels. Okay, or we just give a small closing above these levels and follow up day when we fall. Then what is going to happen is we're going to consolidate according to me in this range. Okay, ये range में हम consolidate करेंगे. After consolidating in this range, then we will attempt to give a breakout. Right? So for our intraday levels, what I'll do is I'll go to an hourly chart. Okay, now this is the hourly chart. Now as you can see, hourly chart में क्या हो रहा है? We have this basic ceiling here. Okay, and इसका एक low आ रहा है, which is coinciding with the 21 minute. So हमको short का confirmation कब मिलेगा? When the hourly candle will close below the 21 minute. Okay, so I zoom it in. So this exact level, if I say somewhere around here, this 21 EMA, so in short, you can say 17,600 के नीचे जैसे भी closing मिल जाता है, we can go short. What are the targets on the downside? First target will be 17,400. Second target will be 17,250. Okay, these two targets we can easily. So basically 17,400 hit होने के बाद you can continue trailing. Okay, trailing stop loss method use करके you can continue. So this is going to be the major level. इसके नीचे क्या levels है हमारे पास support के? इसके नीचे we will have first 566 का level and then we will have the support zone of 17,442 से लेके 377. Okay, if you want you can consider this as a zone also. छोटा सा zone बनेगा इधर. Okay, gap filling भी हो जाएगा. 546 to 566 का एक zone आप पकड़ के चल सकते. Right? So this is the outlook for Nifty. Okay, whatever happens in SGX Nifty, whatever happens with the US market, don't develop a bias in your mind कि यही होने वाला है और या तो अपसाइड ही होने वाला है या डाउनसाइड ही होने वाला है. डोंट क्रिएट अ बायस. जैसे जैसे कल मार्केट खुलेगी चार्ट्स जो दिखाएगा हमको वो हिसाब से हम ट्रेड लेंगे. राइट, नाउ क्विकली मूविंग ऑन टू बैंक निफ्टी. तो बैंक निफ्टी में again let's move to the daily chart first. Okay, now daily chart पे, this is the daily chart. First let's see the resistance zone. Okay, so we have given a close to with a follow-up day as well. The bank nifty is looking very strong. We've given a close and above 38,765. Okay, now this is going to be the crucial level going forward. 38,765. उसके ऊपर का रेजिस्टेंस क्या है हमारे पास? 39,424 and 40,160. These are the two levels. Okay? अगर बैंक निफ्टी को रिवर्स होना है, बैंक निफ्टी 39,400 के आसपास से रिवर्स हो जाएगा. If bank nifty has to reverse. Obviously, in this entire rally, bank nifty has been leading, has outperformed nifty. So it is safe to say that even on the downside, when there will be a correction, there will be a heavy correction in bank nifty. Okay. अब हेवी करेक्शन अगर मैं बोल रहा हूँ तो व्हाट आर द सपोर्ट जोन्स? तो फर्स्ट सपोर्ट जोन दैट वी आर गोइंग टू हैव इज 38,155 से लेके 38,400. ये 250 पॉइंट का सपोर्ट जोन है. सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द फर्स्ट सपोर्ट जोन, फॉलोड बाय इफ सपोज वी ब्रेक 38,000 का लेवल, देन डायरेक्टली 37,250 का लेवल. 750 पॉइंट्स का एक शार्प फॉल वी कैन सी, which will also coincide with the 21 EMA and a Fibonacci retracement line. Okay, so this is going to be the crucial support, 37,250. Right? So these are the resistance and support levels in Bank Nifty, in my personal opinion. Right? Like the video, please like button ठोक दीजिए. बाकी details आपको पता ही है. If you're a new subscriber to the channel, or if you're a new viewer, please subscribe to the channel. We have our free Telegram group. You can join that. We have a premium Telegram group. You can join that as well. Rest, all the best, guys, for tomorrow. There is a dip that is going to come. When that dip will come, we don't know. From which level that dip will come, we don't know. But the dip will definitely come. Markets cannot move in a single direction. Whenever that dip comes, use that dip as a good opportunity to buy good quality stocks. If you want a video on what are the good quality stocks that you should focus on in this dip, leave a comment below. I'll make a video on what are the quality stocks that you should look at in this dip. All right. Take care, guys. Bye bye.